Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to pay a bill using your Mastercard. In a world where everything's digital, knowing how to handle payments securely can save you time and hassle. Whether it's your utility bill, credit card statement, or even a subscription service, Mastercard makes it straightforward. Let's break it down step by step so you can do this with confidence. First things first, make sure your Mastercard is ready to go. That means checking your card's expiration date and ensuring you have the CVV code on the back. Not all billers accept credit cards, so start by verifying if the company or service you're paying accepts Mastercard. You can usually find this info on their website or in your bill. If you're paying online, which is the most common way, log into your account on the biller's website or app. Look for the Pay Now or Make Payment section. Select credit card as your payment method, then carefully enter your Mastercard details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and that 3 or 4-digit CVV. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Nobody wants a declined payment. Once you've entered the info, review the amount and any fees involved. Hit that confirm button, and you're done. You'll often get a confirmation email or receipt right away. If you're paying in person, like at a store or bank, just present your card to the cashier, and they'll process it through their terminal. A quick pro tip: always use a secure, private Wi-Fi network for online payments to protect your information from hackers. Also, keep an eye on your bank statements for any unusual activity. Mastercard has great fraud protection, but staying vigilant is key. And there you have it. Paying a bill with Mastercard is that simple and secure. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more everyday tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.